What's up, YouTube? Here we are at 88 Rotors Off-Road with another video on 3 different Toyota Tacomas and a Tundra today. Check out this quick sound Toyota Tacoma. We're installing a king setup on this one with new wheels and tires. We'll get into the details of it shortly. Here you can see our techs tearing off the factory parts. Here's the Tundra that we worked on months ago. He's back this time for an amp research electric sidestep. Here's our tech Alex installing and wiring it up. Having trouble getting into your truck because it's too high, or just want that cool factor of a step sliding down when you open the door? Give us a call or shoot us an email for a quote on this one. Back to the Quicksand Tacoma, we're installing a set of King's 2.5 remote reservoir front coilover and rear shocks. In addition to that, we're throwing on some Camberg tubular uniball upper control arms. For the rear, we're doing an add-a-leaf system. For the wheels and tires, we're doing a setup from VTX. These are the Terras in a 16x8 -12 offset in a matte black finish. We're wrapping it up in a Falcon Wild Peak AT3W. Have a Tacoma yourself? Drop down in the comments. Let us know what suspension you have.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I've been stuck on memory, but it's not like I need.
As you can see here, this is a Trd Pro Style Grill that's previously installed. Clean and sweet setup here, don't you think? We have all of these parts in stock, so let us know if you want this type of work done to your Tacoma. Here's a closer look at the front end suspension setup. Next up, we have this 3rd gen Toyota Tacoma in black rolling in. This one's also getting a lift, wheels, and tires package. This one is also a 4x4 off-road model. Boy, does this black colored Tacoma look nice. The only thing is they are so hard to keep clean. It takes a lot of time and effort to keep one of these bad boys looking fresh. We also have this 2nd gen Toyota Tacoma in silver, in for a Fox package, wheels and tires as well. Stay tuned for more details on it. Here's a side-by-side comparison. The right is the Bilstein stock suspension, the left the Fox 2.0 coilover that's going in. Back to the black 3rd gen Tacoma, we're removing the front grille and swapping it out to a Trd Pro Style Grill with garnish.
No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us.
This one's getting a 3-inch front strut spacer, and the rear's getting a 2-inch rear lift block with extended U-bolts. As always, quality control is our #1 priority here. Here, our tech is double checking every nut and bolt, making sure that they're torqued down properly, and he marks them with a paint pen. For the wheels and tires on the 2nd gen silver Tacoma, we're putting on a set of MR312s by Method, 17 8.5, 0 offset, matte black finish, and wrapping it up in a 285/70/17. The Fox 2.0 is in, front and back, 1.95-inch rear lift block also installed, and now we're throwing on the wheels and tires from Method and BFG. We hope you guys are enjoying our video. If you do so, please give us that thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please make sure you do that. That way you won't miss any of our future videos. Now let's watch this 3rd gen black Toyota Tacoma roll out. Didn't get to record the mounting and bouncing of this setup, but the wheels on here are the Method MR305s, 17 8.5 0 offset, wrapped up in a 285 7017 BFG KO2.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
If you have any questions or comments, please drop them down below. We'll make sure to get back to every single one of them. If you're looking for a quote, please give us a call or shoot us an email to sales@88rotors.com.
I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me.
Here's a Supercharged Tundra Trd Pro, one of our very own. If you want to see the video on that one, check out our channel. Here's our completed 2nd gen Toyota Tacoma, ready to be delivered to the customer. Thank you very much for viewing, guys. Stay tuned for the next video.